Hello everyone, welcome back to the math of class 7. In our previous class, we have studied the introductory part of integers, how to represent and how to compare. Now, in today's class, we are going to study basic mathematical operations on the integers. Means, how can we do mathematical operations on the integers? So, before starting with our today's class, let's take a quick recap. So, what have we studied? Integers. There are two types of integers, positive and negative. Positive integers, all the natural numbers with the plus sign or with no any sign, and all the natural numbers with minus sign is known as negative integers. What about 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. So while you have to write 0, simply you will write 0. You are not going to put any sign with 0. Then we have studied how to represent it on number line. So on the right side of 0, all the positive, and on the left side of 0, all the negative. And then we have seen comparison of the integers. So for that, I ask you to remember one sentence that all the positive integers and 0, all the positive integers and 0 are always greater than all the negative integers. So this is what we have seen in last class. I hope you have done practice of it. Now, let's start our today's class. So in this, we are going to study all the mathematical operations. What are the mathematical operations you have studied? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition means this is the sign of addition. Subtraction, this is the sign of subtraction. Multiplication and division. These are four mathematical operations which we are going to study. But today we are going to study only about the addition. That how can we add two integers or more than that. You know that there are two types of integers, positive and negative. So based on that, I have classified the sums in this way. First, as you can see, both the numbers are positive as there is no any sign. Means if there is minus sign before this, like this, then it is negative. But as you can see here, there is no any sign. So both the numbers 1 and 2. Both the numbers are positive, and this plus sign is indicating the operation between these two numbers. This plus sign is indicating the mathematical operation between these two numbers. So if there is plus sign, means you are going to add both the numbers. So this is your first type of sum in which you are going to add positive integer with the positive integer. So first we will do this type of sum. Then after, as you can see here, there is minus sign with 76. So what it means? Yes, it is negative integer. What? Negative integer. And then this is your mathematical operation, that is addition, and 12. Is there any sign with 12? No. So 12 is your positive integer. So next type of sum is one negative integer and one positive integer. So we will do such type of sums. See, here I have written some sums for the practice. So we'll get clear to you. Okay. So in first one we are going to study both the positive integer. In second, one positive and one negative integer. And then we will study how to add both negative integer. As you can see, there is minus sign before 2. So this indicating that this is your negative integer. Then this sign is the sign of addition, that is mathematical operation. And 4, before 4 there is which sign? Minus. It means that this is your negative integer. So this minus sign and this one, they are indicating the positivity and negativity of the number, whereas this plus sign is your mathematical operation, means you are going to add or subtract the numbers. So if there is plus sign means you are going to add. So how to add two negative integers? So firstly we will see how to add two positive, then how to add one positive and one negative, and then how to add both the negative integers. So let's begin. 65 plus 12. Such type of addition you know very well and you have done. Both the positive integer you have to add them as there is sign of addition. So 65 plus 12. 65 plus 12. See, you must have to write ones below ones and tens below tens. Place value. Ones and tens. So 5 plus 2, 7, and 6 plus 1, 7. So your answer will be 77. Your answer will be 77. And as the both numbers are positive, your answer will be positive. I hope you understood this first type of sum. Second, you will do by yourself. Now, let's move to another type of sum, that if one negative and another positive, then how can we add? So, and keep one thing in your mind. Negative integer always you will write in bracket. It will become easier for you and you will not get confused. So always try to write negative integers in the bracket. So let's see the first step how to solve. Minus 76. So we'll open the bracket, minus 76. And then this sign of addition will be as it is. And is there any sign with 12? No. So 12 will be as it is. Now here, as you can see, here we are having one minus sign and one plus sign also. Till now we have done the sum in which all the signs are same, means plus 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 plus. We don't have any other sign except plus. Whereas here we are having one minus sign and one plus sign. So now we need to decide that either we are going to add them or subtract them. So what's your first step to solve such sums? You will decide that will you add or subtract. So for that you have to remember one thing, that if both the signs are different, यानी अलग अलग साइन हो, माइनस और प्लस, प्लस और माइनस, ऐसे अलग अलग साइन हो, if both the signs are different, then you are going to subtract the numbers. You are going to subtract the numbers. Okay. So we have decided that we will subtract. So first step is over. Then we will subtract it in rough work, not here. We will subtract it in our rough work, not here. Here simply we are going to write down the answer of subtraction. Please don't do mistake. So let's subtract in rough. 76 minus 12. We know that in subtraction the biggest number should be first. So 76 minus 12. And from where will we start subtraction? From ones. So 6 minus 2, 4, and 7 minus 1, 6. So what's your answer? 64. But as you can see, here we are having two different signs, minus and plus. तो आंसर में फिर कौन सी साइन जाएगी? माइनस की जाएगी या प्लस की जाएगी? यहाँ तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, बिकॉज all the signs are same, all the signs are of plus. So here we haven't put any sign, means it is positive number. Your answer is positive. But here as you can see, we are having two different signs. One is minus and another is plus. So which sign we are going to put? प्लस या माइनस, यानी हमारा आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा? तो वो कौन डिसाइड करेगा? जो नंबर बड़ा होगा वो डिसाइड करेगा. द नंबर विच इज ग्रेटर. सो विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर फ्रॉम दिस? 76 या 12? राइट नाउ डोंट लुक एट द साइन. 76 या 12? 76. So before 76 which sign is there? Yes, minus. So your answer will be negative. So your answer will be negative, that is minus 64. Understood? So to solve such type of sums, what is your first step? You will decide whether you will subtract or add. After that you will add or subtract in the rough, and then simply you will write down the answer. And while the signs are different, at that time you have to be careful with the sign of your answer also. क्योंकि 76 कहेगा कि मेरी साइन जाएगी और ये 12 कहेगा कि मेरी साइन जाएगी. तो उस वक्त आप कैसे डिसाइड करोगे? जो बड़ा होगा उसकी साइन आप आंसर को दे दोगे. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द सिमिलर सम, that is minus 22 plus 18. So again here we are having one negative integer, another positive integer, and here is the sign of addition. So let's do that. First what will we do? We will open the bracket. Minus 22 plus 18. So again, now what's your first step? You are going to decide. Why you need to decide? Because both the numbers both the signs are different. यानी एक के पास माइनस है, दूसरे के पास प्लस है. So I told you, why you are having two different sign, then definitely you are going to subtract that numbers. यानी जब भी दो अलग अलग साइन हो कि आप क्या करोगे? Subtraction. Okay, so and here you are not going to write 22 minus 18. Here you don't have to write anything. Simply you will subtract it in the rough. 22 minus 18. So from where we will start the subtraction? From ones. 2 minus 8. So is it possible to subtract? No. Why it's not possible? Because 2 is smaller than 8. So we will take borrow. If you will borrow, suppose you are having 2 chocolates and you have given one to your friend, then how many will left with you? Yes, 1. So and 1 you have passed to your friend. So 1 to 12, 12 minus 8, 4 and 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is 4. And again 22 and 18 both are fighting with each other. Why? 22 कह रहा है मेरी साइन जाएगी, 18 कह रहा है मेरी साइन जाएगी. तो किसकी साइन जाएगी? एग्जैक्टली जो बड़ा है उसकी. तो 22 is greater and it is negative, so your answer will be negative. Understood? Okay, now this one you will do by yourself. Let's move to this one. 112 plus minus 8. One positive, one negative, and this is your mathematical operation. So let's solve it. 112 plus sign as it is, but we have to open the bracket. So at that time, what we are going to do? We are going to open the bracket. So here, how can you open the bracket? This is your plus and minus. So plus minus minus. यानी ये दोनों साइन जो है वो अब क्या हो जाएगी? एक. प्लस माइनस माइनस. तो अब प्लस की साइन भी नहीं रहेगी, ये भी साइन नहीं रहेगी. ये दोनों कंबाइन होकर क्या हो गई? प्लस माइनस माइनस. सो 112 माइनस 8. 112 minus 8. So let's subtract it. 112 minus 8. 2 minus 8, not possible as it is smaller. So 0. Why 0? Because if you have only one chocolate and you have passed it to your friend, then how many left will with you? 0. And here 1. So 1 to 12 minus 8, 4, 0. As it is, as we don't have to subtract anything here. And this one as it is. So your answer is 104. And your answer will be positive or negative? Yes, will be positive. Why? Because 112 is greater and it is positive. So your answer is positive. This one you will do by yourself. And let's see this one. 38 plus minus 4. So as there is no any sign, so 38 will be as it is. Then plus minus minus 4. So 38 minus 4. Can you guess? Yes, 34. And 34 will be positive or negative? Yes, will be positive. I hope you understood this and you will do practice of all this sum. Then from 9, I will explain in the next class. So today we have completed till question 8. I hope you understood this and you will do practice. Have a good day. Thank you.